Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel SSL certificate error on Vercel in 2026. So if your website is showing not secure, SSL failed, or certificate issues, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step without confusion. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to your project settings. Then click the Domains section and check if your custom domain is properly added and verified. Next, go to your domain provider and open DNS settings. Make sure your CNAME for www is pointing to Vercel and your record for the root domain is correctly set. Now check for any old or incorrect DNS records. If you see leftover hosting records, remove them because they can block SSL from generating properly. Next, return to Vercel and check SSL status. If it shows pending or failed, don't worry, it usually fixes itself after DNS updates. Now wait for DNS propagation. This can take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours depending on your provider, so yeah, a little patience is needed here. Next, try redeploying your project once to refresh SSL provisioning. Also make sure your domain is not connected to multiple Vercel projects, because that can cause conflicts. Now clear your browser cache or test in incognito mode to avoid old SSL data issues. Finally, open your website again and check the secure lock icon. If everything is correct, your SSL will be active and working fine, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel SSL certificate issues. Now your site is fully secure with HTTPS. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.